Welcome. If you're tired of constant community notifications popping up while using the Roblox app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable community notifications with the latest Roblox update so you can enjoy a distraction-free gaming experience. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Find and click on the option labeled More. This will expand a list of additional settings and features that you can customize. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Now, look for the Notifications tab within the Settings menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications Roblox can send you, including updates from communities you're part of. Find the section called Community Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all the communities you're involved with, each with its own toggle switch. This is where you can take control. To disable notifications from a specific community, simply find it in the list and click the toggle to turn it off. If you want to mute multiple communities, just repeat this step for each one. The changes take effect immediately, so you won't have to deal with those notifications anymore. And that's it. You've successfully disabled community notifications on the Roblox app for PC. No more interruptions, just smooth, uninterrupted gameplay and creativity. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow these steps again and flip the switch for any community you want updates from. Thanks for tuning in. For more Roblox tips and updates, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other guides. Enjoy your time on Roblox, notification free.